Braising beef, a delicious journey in English cooking vocabulary. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a delicious topic: braising beef. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or just curious about English culinary terms, this video is for you. Let's unravel the meaning of braise the beef and explore why it's a beloved cooking technique. Braising is a cooking method involving two key steps. First, the beef is seared at a high temperature, and then it's cooked slowly in liquid at a lower temperature. This technique enhances flavor and tenderness, making braise the beef synonymous with creating a flavorful and tender dish. Searing is crucial in braising. It involves cooking the beef at a high temperature until it forms a brown crust. This step adds depth of flavor and is often referred to as browning the meat. Remember, searing is not about cooking the meat through. It's about adding a rich, caramelized surface. After searing, the beef is slow cooked in a liquid. This could be broth, wine, or even water, often with added herbs and vegetables. The low and slow cooking process breaks down tough fibers, making the beef incredibly tender and infusing it with flavors from the cooking liquid. Braising can be done in an oven, on a stovetop, or even in a slow cooker. Each method has its nuances. A key tip is to not rush the process. Good braising takes time, allowing flavors to develop fully. Avoid these common pitfalls. Not searing properly. Ensure the beef has a good, brown crust. Using too much liquid. The beef should be partially submerged, not covered. Rushing the process. Low and slow is the mantra for perfect braising. I hope this video helps you understand and appreciate the phrase, braise the beef, in English cooking. It's a simple yet sophisticated technique that transforms beef into a mouth-watering dish. Happy cooking and language learning!